Okay, can you please stand up? Gracelyn, can you lead our prayer? Amen. So, good morning, class. Okay, thank you. So, while I'm checking your attendance, so some of you are present today, but few of your classmates are not due to some reason. So, before anything else, I would like to remind you again our classroom rules. First, listen to me while I'm speaking in front. Second, raise your hand if you want to answer or you have a questions. And third, don't make any noise to avoid interruptions. So, and lastly, always wear your uniform. So, before we proceed, who would like or who can remember our past lesson that we discussed last meeting? Jackson? Good. So, last meeting, we discussed about the female reproductive system. So, who can give me at least 3 parts of female reproductive system? Jelly-Ann? Very good. Class, give them a 3 claps. So, I prepare a short video that we can watch. So, while watching class, can you please take note on what you can observe in the video so that you can have an idea to our activity later.
The male reproductive system includes the penis, the testes and epididymides held within the scrotum, the vas deferens, and internally, the seminal vesicles and the prostate gland. The penis is the male sex organ. It is made up of the shaft and the head. The head of the penis is covered by a movable piece of skin called the foreskin. The urethra is a tube that runs from the bladder through the prostate gland and the middle of the penis to carry urine out of the body. The penis has a rich blood supply as well as a muscle layer and nerves. When sexually aroused, the blood flow increases and it becomes erect. The testes produce sperm and the hormone testosterone. At the back of each testis is the epididymis, a tube where sperm is stored. When the penis is erect, sperm moves from the epididymis and through the vas deferens to the urethra. The seminal vesicles make a fluid that mixes with sperm in the urethra. The prostate gland is about the size of a walnut. It surrounds the first part of the urethra and adds more fluid to the sperm. During orgasm, the prostate squeezes this fluid into the urethra and out of the body. For more information about cancers that start in the male
So, based on the video that we watched, I have here, I prepared activity which I called Guess Me. So, what we're gonna do is you can pick a number from 1 to 7 and then guess what part is this. And before that, this dice will be the one to choose who can pick a number from 1 to 7. Okay? Can we start? Okay, for the first lucky one. Number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, Maureen, can you pick a number? Okay, number 7. So, this is your question. So, it is a part that produces sperm and male hormones. So, what would be your answer? Okay, test. Correct. Flash, give them a 3 claps. Okay, for the second one, number 5. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, Mr. Bogagon, can you please pick a number from 1 to 7? From the 1 to 6. Okay, number 5. So, this is your question. So, it is the part that contributes to semen production. So, what would be your answer? Okay? seminal vehicles. Okay, correct. So give him a 3 claps. Okay, next. Okay, number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dian, can you please pick a number? Okay, number 2. So this is your answer. This is your question. So it is the responsible for protecting the testes. So what would be your answer? Okay, scrotum, correct. Class, give him a 3 claps. Okay, the next one. Number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, Mr. Bao, can you please pick a number? Okay, number 1. So this is your question. So it carries and stores the sperm cells that your testicles create. So, Bao, what would be your answer? Okay, epididymis is correct. Class, give him also a 3 claps. So the next one, number 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, Samantha. Pick a number. Number 6. Okay, this is your question. So it is a part that deliver urine copulating organ. So Samantha, what would be your answer? Okay, penis. Good. So class, give him a 3 claps. Okay. Next one. Okay, number 4. Miss Dones, can you please pick a number? Okay, number 4. So this is your question. So it carries sperm from the epididymis up to prostate gland and urethra. So what would be your answer, Miss Dones? Okay, vast difference. Very good. Give him a 3 claps. Okay, for the last one. Okay, number 1, Maureen. Okay. So it produces fluid that nourishes and transports sperm. What would be your answer, Maureen? Okay, it is prostate gland. So it seems you are enjoying our activity, right? So do you want more games? Okay, good. So I will divide you into 2 groups. So this is the group 1 and this is the group 2. So listen to our directions. So class, this is the directions. In every every groups have 4 representatives that come in front, and then the 4 members will be following a line. Then whoever is in the front with the same group will be the first to answer. And I will show you the parts of male reproductive system, and you just guess what I guess either it is internal genital organs or external genital organs. And who will be the first group that got 3 points will be the winner. You get it? Okay. For the first part, what would be the answer? Okay. The group 1 got the correct answer. Then the next part. Okay. Group 2 got the correct answer. Okay, the next. Okay. Group 1 got the correct answer. And the last, or the next is scrotum. What would be your answer? Okay. the group 1 got the correct answer. So they will be the winner. So class, based on the video and the activity that we made, do you have an idea to our next topic that we discussed today? Anyone? Okay, Mr. Bugagon? Good. So our topic today is all about the can you please read? Thank you. So this is our topic for today. The male reproductive system. So this is the pictures of the male reproductive system. So who can read the definitions of male reproductive system? Wait. Okay. Can you please read the definitions of male reproductive system, Mr. Bulagon? Okay, very good. So, the functions of male reproductive system is to maintain, produce, um, protect or transport, and nourish the sperm, or what we call the male reproductive cells, or um, the egg cells of the male. So, this is the functions of every part of male reproductive system. So this is the parts and functions of male reproductive system. Who wants to read? Okay, Mr. Bao. Okay. Okay, thank you. So why are testes contained in the scrotum? Can you please read? Mr. Pasis, can you please read? Okay, thank you. So the scrotum is responsible for protecting the testes, and it helps with the thermoregulation of the testicles. And next is why glands of male reproductive system are significant. Can you please read? Who can wants to read? Kelly Ann? Very good. So the glands of the male reproductive system is produce sperm and seminal fluid. And next is how does sperm lives in the male body? Can you please read? Who wants to read? Okay. Pasalo, Mr. Pasalo. Thank you. So the urethra is also part of the urinary system because it is also the channel through which pee passes as it leaves the bladder and exits the body. So next is the um, how does erection occurs? Can you please read? Who wants to read? Okay, Grace Lynn. So this increase in the blood flow makes your penis stand up and away from your body. So, do you have a question? Okay. Okay, so we are already familiarized with the male reproductive system. Today we are have an activity. I will ask you a questions to know if you really listen to our discussion earlier. So this is recorded as your recitation. So for the first question, can you please stand up, Ian? Ian, do you think what causes of male infertility? Very good. Class, give him a 3 claps. For the next question, Maureen, can you please stand up? Okay, this is your question. For you, is masturbation is a sin? What do you think? Okay, very good. Class, give him also a 3 claps. For the last question, who wants to answer? Okay, Danica, can you please stand up? Do you think what is the role of male reproductive system in the reproductions of human life? What do you think? Okay, very good. So, class, um, there's no any question. Okay, thank you. So, we have can you please bring out one full sheet of paper and answer this question? Mr. Pasis, can you please read the direction? Okay, thank you. So, I will give you only 5 minutes to answer. Class, don't cheat. And okay, are finished? Are done? Okay. Can you please pass your paper? And also, we have a assignment. Can you bring out your notebook and copy this? Can you please read? Danica? Okay. So, that's all class. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.